from the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, more on the local forecast in just a bit, but tomorrow maybe a little bit of history will be made as SpaceX tries to launch its Starship with the heavy booster, and we'll see if this happens. But just to give you a little bit of a background, that we have a 1-hour launch window tomorrow morning at 8:28 a.m. It'll go till about 9:30, and they're going to give it a try. The rocket heads over the Gulf of Mexico, and I'll show you the track in just a bit. This thing is a big rocket, 33 Raptor engines on the main heavy booster rocket, 6 on the Starship itself that is right here. So you're going to have a bottom piece, and then this top piece takes off and tries to get into just about suborbital, not quite out into space, but they're trying. And this is going to be the most powerful rocket ever to be launched, and there's a pretty high risk of failure, delays for sure, maybe failure. Right now, according to the experts, it has about a little bit better than a 50-50 chance of achieving its height. So let's count down. Guys, you want to help me out? We're going to do maybe 3. No, how about we start at 10 seconds?
You get 3 from us, Rob.
That's
what
it.
How about 60? No, not 60.
Absolutely
Let's make it
not.
Okay. All right. On 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We'll launch this baby and watch it take off, hopefully tomorrow morning. I got more information for you on. Wow. Look at that thing go. Well, anyway, if we take a look at where it's going to be going out in the Gulf of Mexico, the heavy rocket is going to land and splash down in the Gulf of Mexico. It's not going to land on anything. They're not trying that with this one. And the Starship is going to splash down. It's going to go around the world and splash down over toward Hawaii. Now, can we see it from here? And the calculations say yes, only if we have a dusk or dawn launch or a nighttime launch. We will not see this one at 8:23. Maybe offshore rigs, deep water Gulf of Mexico. Look to your southwest at around 8:23 in the morning and check out the SpaceX link for the latest on that. But I thought that was kind of interesting. It's always fun using the augmented reality graphics. Now let's get into weather, because we have stuff going on across the U.S. as we get into the nation's midsection. Severe weather ongoing to the north and west. It's snow. But this evening, severe storms busting out across the high plains from Kansas, eastern Nebraska, into Iowa, northwestern portions of Missouri, and then back down through much of Oklahoma. Tornado watches going tonight, and we have tornado warnings going mainly east of Oklahoma City as you get into east central Oklahoma. And here's a new tornado warning right here. So big supercells here producing damaging winds and perhaps tornadoes as well. For us, it's quiet overnight tonight. Southeasterly winds keep our temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Tomorrow into the mid 80s. Should be a nice day. Sun and cloud mix. More clouds by late in the day. And then we get into tomorrow evening. Showers and storms moving in during daylight to pre-dawn hours through the midday morning hours. And again, strong storms, locally very heavy downpours, gusty winds, and then maybe a bit of a break. And then we might see another round try to develop into Friday evening. But by Friday night, things will quiet down. Severe weather threat tomorrow, mainly north and west of Acadiana proper. Then we get into Friday. It looks like the strongest dynamics for severe weather will be mainly East Texas, perhaps western Louisiana, maybe coastal parishes, but we'll be on the lookout for storms that could produce damaging winds, maybe hail or an isolated tornado, but not a major severe weather concern. But each and every system is different, and we'll have to keep an eye on it. And then we're going to get a pretty good soaking, 1 to 2 inches of rain likely across a good part of the area. And then we go over to the west. You can see some areas might see 4 to 6 inches of rain over towards southeast Texas. So there could be some localized flooding. Not expecting it here, but we're going to get a good soaking for sure. Mid 60s overnight tonight, not as cool with fair skies. Then for tomorrow, it's going to be another warm one, breezier than today with winds gusting up to 25, 28 during the day. And we'll see those winds coming generally out of a south-southeasterly direction. You see those wind particles moving in that direction. But overall, nice day ahead. So get out and enjoy tomorrow. Friday, a little iffy, but the midday hours might not be too bad. So storms in the morning for sure. 90% on your rain chances there, mainly morning hours. Then as we head into the weekend, good looking weather, some clouds on Sunday, more showers mid next week, and hopefully we get straightened out as we go into Festival Internacional weekend with highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s. And thanks for helping.
We do what we can.
Rocket Man over here.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you, Rob.